Are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency but only have $100 to start with? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with just $100 and invest safely using smart strategies like dollar cost averaging. So grab your notepad and let's jump right in. But before we begin, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with more crypto tips. Let's grow your knowledge together. Step 1. Start small and smart. First things first, you don't need thousands of dollars to start investing in cryptocurrency. You can begin with as little as $100. The key is to start small and smart. With such a limited amount, you need to be strategic. Think of your $100 as a test run into the crypto world, not something to double overnight. So where should you put this $100? The safest bet for beginners is to invest in well-established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are less volatile compared to other smaller altcoins, and they have a proven track record. Remember, crypto is a long-term game, so we aim for growth over time, not quick wins. Step 2. Dollar cost averaging explained. Now, let's talk about a strategy called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. This is one of the safest ways to invest your $100, especially in a volatile market like crypto. Here's how it works. Instead of investing your $100 all at once, you break it into smaller portions. For example, you could invest $20 every week for the next 5 weeks. This way, you buy crypto at different prices, so you don't risk putting all your money in at the wrong time. When prices are high, you buy less. When prices are low, you buy more. Over time, this balances out the risks of market volatility. Step 3. How much to invest safely? Now you might be wondering, is $100 really enough? Absolutely. But here's an important tip. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is unpredictable. If $100 is what you feel comfortable risking, that's perfect. The goal is to learn the ropes without breaking the bank. Also, try to set a budget for how much you'll invest monthly. Keep it consistent, whether it's another $100, $50, or even $20. Building wealth in crypto is more about discipline and patience than anything else. Bonus tip. Use crypto exchanges wisely. When you're investing, you'll need to use a crypto exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Look for one that's beginner-friendly, has low fees, and offers secure storage for your assets. Don't store large amounts of your crypto directly on exchanges long-term. Instead, consider moving them to a wallet for added security. Also, keep track of your investment by using portfolio management apps to monitor performance. And there you have it. With $100, you can safely start your crypto journey and build a solid foundation for future investments. Remember, patience and consistency are key. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy investing!